In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your Wix website by using manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com. Whether you're new to Wix or looking to improve your site, this guide will help you navigate the necessary steps effectively. First, start by heading over to wix.com and logging into your account. If you're not already signed up, simply follow the prompts to create a new account. Having an account is your gateway to a personalized and powerful web creation experience. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is your central hub for managing sites. Locate the site you want to work on and click on Edit Site. This action takes you to the Wix editor where all the creative magic happens. Here, you'll be able to customize and tweak various elements of your website according to your needs. Our next task is to expand the functionality of our site by adding apps. In the editor, look for the Add Apps option. This feature allows you to incorporate different tools and features easily, providing the functionality that your site requires to enhance user experience. Among the numerous apps available, our focus today is on the members area. Use the search bar to find it, and once located, go ahead and install it. Upon installation, Wix will automatically create several essential pages for you, such as the profile page, my account page, and sign up login forms. These are incredibly useful for engaging with your site visitors, offering them a professional point of contact. With the basic setup done, it's time to customize these pages to reflect your unique brand. Begin with the profile page. For that personalized touch, integrate a profile photo, include text elements for the name, bio, and social links, and add icons or images for badges or achievements. Style these elements so they align with your brand's aesthetic. Next, we need to connect the profile page elements to the member data. To do this, add a data set and connect it to the members data. Ensure you link all text elements like the name and bio to dataset fields and the image element to profile pic. Set the dataset filter to ensure user ID equals logged in user. This makes every profile page dynamic and unique for each member. Moving forward, allow your users the ease of editing their own information by adding a profile editing feature. On the profile page, insert an edit button. Link this button to a new edit profile page. Here you can add input fields such as text input and image upload boxes. Ensure each field links to your members' dataset field. Make sure the dataset is set to write update mode. This user-friendly setup empowers members to edit their bio, upload photos, and save their own changes seamlessly. Once you've completed these customizations, it's crucial to preview your work. Click on Preview to see all your changes in action. This is a vital step to make sure everything looks as expected and functions smoothly before going live. Finally, when you're satisfied with everything, click on Publish. This will